background. It's not even from Ghana, it's from Jamaica. How do you make him a king in Ghana?
Yeah, people, welcome back to the Street Youth TV. Well, this individual here from Ghana, my bash POPCAAN wicked, because I say, yo, there is no way POPCAAN should get king in a Ghana. You understand? Say them a local out the thing to anybody. You see what I say? And it's like, him a attack POPCAAN wicked. You see what I say? So, here we have to say now. And tell me in the comment section what you think about this. You see what I say? If the man right for the defending place, or I don't know. Let me hear what I go on. Yeah, so watch what I go on. Hear what I say.
Apparently, POPCAAN, or say POPCAAN, or whatever his name is, that Jamaican artist, that dancer artist, he's now a king in Ghana. And I'm wondering. That dancer artist, he's now a king in Ghana. And I'm wondering, how does everybody else just become a king in Ghana like this? Like, POPCAAN does not have any royal background. It's not even from Ghana, it's from Jamaica. How do you make him a king in Ghana? I thought this kingship and this chieftaincy thing in Ghana is a very important thing to the Ghanaian people. How you guys just dishing it out to everybody just like that? Charlie, you need to preserve our culture that we have. Oh. You can't just be giving anybody who has money or any celebrity who comes from even any different other country, you just make them kings and queens and whatever in Ghana. That thing must stop. You need to stop. You need to stop. You can't be selling our special culture just for peanut like that. Are they?
Them a beat the dog wicked. You see me? I say that the man they a beat the dog wicked. But well, I not even know if it's about this, because I know your yard there, but your yard there. You see what I say? Yeah, so like, share, and subscribe. And please like the video. And if you're not subscribed yet to the Street Youth TV, subscribe. Follow the Street Youth TV on the Instagram. Follow me over there on the TikTok. That is it. Yeah, Papi, do your thing.
Street Youth TV, you don't know. Street Youth TV.